Watch what happens when this rider drives straight into a police checkpoint deep in the jungle. That sure was his lucky day. He had no idea the cops were right behind him, watching everything he did.
I was thinking this one, it might be easier to grab him off this pipe. We going for this one?
Yep.
Okay.
It's now or never.
Yeah, let's do it. Ready? Ready?
Yep. You know obviously why you got in handcuffs, my man. I got a whole dash cam of you doing stupid stuff, driving on the road.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. This dirt biker nearly got caught by the police, but managed to escape by taking his bike off-road through rough terrain. At one point, the police got so close to him that they activated the sirens to pull him over. This rider was pepper sprayed by an undercover cop while simply riding his bike. Watch what happens next. Luckily, he found water nearby and rinsed his eyes, easing the burning. Police crackdown gets funny. Kid speeds off in tears with the cop right behind him.
Let me go! Let me go! Oh no.
This rider caught it all on camera as a cop suddenly tackled him off his bike while he was just stopped at a traffic light.
We gotta give it back to him, and he gives it to the other guy. The other guy's like, alright, I'm out, peace.
Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
Okay. What did I do? Ow. What?
The officer explained why he stopped him, saying he noticed the bike's number plate was hidden.
It's not even my bike, it's my dad's.
Your dad.
I would have pulled over.
So the reason normally we would.
Yeah.
When guys hide license plate,
Yeah.
they don't pull over. They
Yep.
What can you do?
I don't know, you tell me. I've never had a situation like this.
I mean, generally they pick it up and drive off. I don't know.
On the final lap, the riders were suddenly stopped by a cop after a landowner reported them for trespassing.
Oh, you all right?
Off the bike now. Get off the bike. Drop it down. Hey, this is private property. He
Whoa.
owns his property. You guys are not supposed to be back here.
Oh,
We're in a race right now.
it is a local race that everyone.
See the pink markers?
See all the pink markers? My property.
Yeah, I'm sorry that we're here. We're just following the markers they left for us.
Your property. We are at a local race.
We got the transducers right here above our bills. It's part of CRA racing.
It's called CRA racing.
You know, trying to run would be some serious trouble, right?
We're not. We're racing. We're trying to finish fast. Not trying to be disrespectful. We're trying to finish fast.
Okay.
We have 2 hours to do as many laps as we can. These pink markers.
Started this.
CRA racing.
The last name is Crump.
Can we keep going, or we have to stay here?
Well, I need to get some information.
Okay.
The landowner let them continue the race, and they sped off right away. The chase ended at the woods, where the cop could only watch him disappear. Another long day for him, and a clean escape for the rider. They kept provoking the cop until they finally decided to flee and hide in a tunnel. The situation got intense as the cops brought in a helicopter, its searchlight sweeping the ground to track the fleeing bikers.
Years later.
They made a brief stop under the pass before continuing on their way. Even after all that, the cops were still hot on their trail. Finally, after a long chase, they managed to find a place to hide.
You know,
What the hell is even that?
like, all the way.
That's it for today. Drop your favorite moment in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.